back to the channel. New year, new me, no eyebrows.
I like it.
We're back with another video. It's January 2021, and today's video is going to be an unboxing and a build with this old babe. Remember the show This Old House? Do you remember that?
Building with this old babe.
Building with this old babe. So we sold our Blackstone flat top griddle, and since all 5 of us have been around the house more, we need a bigger griddle with a bigger griddle area. So we were lucky enough to get the brand new 5-burner Pit Boss Deluxe 5-burner. I said 5-burner. Comes with a 5-year warranty. 5-burner.
For 5 people.
For 5 people. Griddle.
Yes.
And it's really awesome. It has over 750 square feet of cooking. 750 square feet. That'd be
Inches.
the world's biggest griddle.
That'd make a lot of
That'd make a lot of chow mein. It has over 750 inches of cooking space. It has over 60,000 BTUs of heat. It's really, really nice. I would say it's probably one of the premier griddles on the market right now, and we were lucky enough to get one. So we're really, really blessed in that aspect. So today, Babe is going to take you through the unboxing. Babe is going to take you through the build, and I'm going to do some fancy camera work.
I feel like it's not really going to be like a lesson in how to build it, much as like, let's watch this girl try and build this thing.
Hey, if you guys are watching this video and you picked up one of these griddles, if Babe can build it, and I can build it, you can build it. We've watched a couple other videos. We've read a lot of reviews online about it. It comes with a couple tools if you're one of the people that don't have like a toolbox and stuff like that. It's pretty simple. It looks pretty self-explanatory, and we're excited to jump into this griddle. We're going to make a lot of videos on griddle cooking on this brand new Pit Boss griddle. And yeah.
All right, babe.
So without further ado, let's go over the unboxing.
Here we go.
And the building.
Wish me luck.
Here we go. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
First things first with Babe the Builder. Wine. Because I don't know what I'm doing, and this is just going to be a blast. Here we go. Let's talk about how this box showed up. It came FedEx, right?
Yep.
Okay. It's a little beat up. It's a lot beat up. Well, there is, some stuff, but hopefully it's okay. It's 132 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. And let's just get into it and see what I can do. I don't have a box cutter. I have scissors, but it was suggested on someone's video, and be very careful you don't run into that, to get a box cutter, which would probably be a little easier. Look at my muscles, McGee. I just whip this thing around. Are you ready? All right, I'm gonna cut down the side here. And pull it out this way. All right, there we go. Okay, so we've got all these little pieces, keeping it safe. Our wires. The 5-year warranty card. I don't know if you need to save that or not. Okay, so I dropped all 4 sides of the box. Okay, and so now I'm just taking off the pieces, the styrofoam, and the other pieces of wood. Or not wood, of cardboard. Okay, all right, okay.
Let's go, babe.
Good, okay, so underneath is a box with stuff in it, I assume we'll need. And then you have this box right here.
I think that's just for the gas regulator.
What's that? It's a gas regulator.
And that's where you plug the propane into.
Okay.
Is that loud enough?
Yeah. There we go. There we go, babe. See, there's all these little pins. I don't know if they matter or not. So let's take this off. How am I doing so far?
You're doing great.
Do I look like I know what I'm doing?
You need a wine break?
I might need a wine break, yeah. Okay, good. All right, back to building. Let's see. So we have here some bubble wrap. Just to keep things nice and safe. Right now we're just unwrapping everything. Getting all the styrofoam, all of the pieces that came wrapped. There's a lot of pieces to make sure that it doesn't get banged up when it comes. So that's good.
I do feel like it's good quality. Like the casters and stuff are good quality.
Yeah.
Yeah, seems like it's good quality. These wheels are plastic, but the rollers seem nice.
Yeah. Yeah, babe. I agree. Okay. I think we have to flip it.
Sure.
Are we gonna flip it on it? Look, we're doing good, babe.
You need another wine break?
Yeah, wine break. In this box here, we have our grease trap. We have our knobs. Comes with 5 knobs for 5 burners. A grease trap. Our handles. And I just have to find the hardware to put all of this on. We stood it up. So I need to find the little things that go right here so that we can lock it in. I think that's in here. If you come over here, you can see that this is locked. I think we unlocked it, don't we? Ran into is that this part back here was completely bent up, so it was only coming to here and it wouldn't open. I had to grab a hammer and hammer it down so that I can get it unlocked and we can open the whole thing up.
And that didn't make you happy.
No, that made me sad.
That made you sad.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna open these up.
So I like this model because that makes it have tabletops so that you have so much cooking room. Look at how much room you have to work
Yeah,
with.
that's huge. And we got to take all the styrofoam out of here. Right here we have, oh, there's so much fun stuff underneath. This must be like
That's the shelf that goes underneath.
the shelf, okay. It says Pit Boss. So that's nice, that's really nice. Okay, so this does have a magnet. It's not the adhesive. A lot of times these come with the sticky adhesive underneath, so that is really nice. It comes with little magnets. And then, like, if you want to save it on your refrigerator to really just be proud of what you own, you should. Did we say that we're doing it in the house because it's raining out? It's really cold out. Really cold out.
Really cold out. So
Builders in the house.
This is just Babe the Builder in the house. All right, so here we go. This is where the magic happens. This is the griddle. Look how big that is, babe. I feel like our last one was like that big. Like maybe that big, huh? This one's way bigger.
Oh, it's so big.
Oh yeah. I can cook so much more on it. I'm so excited. It's very heavy.
Hello and welcome back to Building with Babe.
This is why you put the screws in the legs so that it doesn't bend first. And we're all learning with Babe.
And now let's take a sip of wine.
And now let's take a sip of wine. Okay. After all that, we finally made it to the instruction manual. Okay. I feel like I don't need an instruction manual now. I feel like I can do this with my own brain. Because I am woman, hear me roar. Yeah? No? Yeah? Okay. So we have these little things. And they're pretty easy. They just go right in and you just turn them until it's tight. That's a technical term. This little thing, you turn it till it's tight. Okay? It looks like we have one that goes there too.
I think you put the shelf on there.
Oh, do you?
I think. Oh, hey, what do I know?
Good looking out.
I have no eyebrows.
Let's go to the other side. There's so many spots I can stick things and screw them in. So I just don't know. Okay, so I grabbed my Phillips head. Is that what this is?
Sure.
Is it not? It is. It is. It's 4. It's Phillips. And I grabbed my screws that come with it. These both came with it. So now we're going to screw in the handle. It requires 4 screws. It's pretty self-explanatory, but it tells you in the directions the screws are part A. Okay? They're A. It's going to take 4 of them. 1 in each hole. Really, this is like, needs to be like a girls can do anything video. Anything you can do, I can do better, boys. Okay? Except barbecue, because I don't know how to do that. Okay, now that we have the handles on, I'm going to put the grease trap on. It goes right here.
That's not really the trap. That's the
Well,
holster.
that's the holster. So I'm going to put my little screw
You
in.
should show how the trap works. See this.
So I was going to show once it's all done, but you have, this is your trap. You set it right here. It's so easy, and then you just pull that out. So this part actually never gets dirty, and it's easier to clean this. Okay, next we're gonna put the shelf on. So you want it to see the Pit Boss side up. So I'm gonna slide it in. Hook it on. It'll fall right into place. No, it's not on right. Because there are 2 holes that are gonna require 2 more of these things that are gonna require 2 thumb screws. So it needs to fall right into place. Okay, sorry we didn't show you putting this griddle part back on, but it took both of us to lift it because it is super heavy. So then the knobs just slide right on. They fit, so you can't really mess that part up. You just have to play shapes and...
Or can you?
Or can I? I don't know. There we go. So...
You talk such a big game.
Hold on. It's really easy. It's pretty easy.
No way. Oh boy. We'll be back after these technical difficulties.
Pro tip. When you want to put the lids on, you just
You
point
mean
the
the
arrow.
knobs?
Oh yeah, the knobs.
Oh,
you just
boy.
you point it up and it just slides right on. You don't
People
have
are
to
going to be
play
watching
shapes.
this going, oh, lady.
And then you want to make sure you hear that click. So we got that in each of them. This is pretty easy to build, I have to say. It's dummy proof. It's pretty much put together for you already. You just need to put a few little pieces together. So once you have the griddle on, this is your cover, which is really nice. It locks as well. So if anybody, tries to steal it,
Wants to break into your griddle and get your bacon.
put your own lock on it.
And get your bacon.
This is really nice.
Okay, it's time for the final reveal.
Okay, everybody, thank you so much for joining me while I built this Pit Boss 5 griddle burner.
5 burner griddle.
Oh, shoot. While I built this 5 griddle burner.
5 burner griddle.
While I built this 5 burner griddle.
There we go.
This Pit Boss 5 burner griddle. I'm so excited. It was a team effort, really. Josh had to help me with a lot, but it was fun doing the work. I'm super excited to start cooking on it. Our next video is going to show you how to season it. We want to thank our top tier channel members. Everybody, scroll the screen. We're happy to be back. We've missed you guys. Thanks for hanging in there with us over these last couple months. We're back. And better than ever.
Back and better than ever.
And I'm still wine time as ever. Thanks for joining us on Building with Babe.